Let's look for some farm animal toys in the sandbox. We have some rabbit, some chicken, rooster, buffalo, pig, goat. So keep watching. Firstly, we have a goat. A goat provides milk at the farm. Next we have a lamb. Lamb is one of the cutest animal at the farm. Next we have a donkey. A donkey is used for transportation in the farm. They live in a stable. A sheep. Do you know that sheep are also domestic animals? They could be kept as pets. A chicken. Chicken provides egg and meat at the farm. Chickens are also pet animals. Next we have a pig. A cattle. Cattle provide meat and milk at the farms. Next we have a sheep. A horse. A rabbit. Rabbits are farm animals as well as pet animals. Next we have a hen. Wow, we have a roosters. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more fun videos.